A fire pit is a great way to promote family time and conversation, extending your parties deep into cool fall evenings. Even in the spring and summer, they add interest and class to many backyard designs. Here is a slew of great backyard fire pit landscaping design ideas, typically integrated with inviting seating areas that you can use for some outdoor makeover inspiration. Check this out. 1. Consider shape. If you already have outdoor furniture on your patio, make sure to take measurements and think about the shapes of your pre-existing pieces before falling in love with a fire pit. On this roof terrace, a long, narrow silhouette of the fire pit complements the sofa perfectly. 2. Walkout patio. Here's a gorgeous walkout patio with a stylish fire pit right in the center. This patio looks like it could even be a balcony setup. What with those gorgeous treetops in the background, adding some comfy chairs like the ones pictured will add a sense of ease and relaxation. 3. Cozy cabin. This looks like a scene straight out of a mountain cabin escape. You can easily create your own picturesque scene by either having a brick fire pit made or by conducting your own research and building one yourself. 4. Keep it separate. Keep your seating area away from the splashing zones if your backyard also has a swimming pool. The concrete flooring under the fire pit sitting area is durable and sturdy, while the lawn functions as a nice segue to the pool. 5. Stick to the basics. If you just want a fire pit that feels low-key and inviting, a classic cast iron bowl will do the trick. These black canvas butterfly chairs are a great alternative to white too, if you prefer an edgier vibe on the lawn. 6. Channel a campfire. Designed with storage in mind, the setup features speakers hidden in the walls of local stone and logs stacked under the benches. If stonework is your thing, this round brown stone fire pit would be a perfect addition to your backyard. 7. Waterfront fire pit. This gorgeous scene utilizes a floor fire pit right at the water's edge. How relaxing is this gorgeous setup? I can just imagine watching the sunset over the water, sipping on a cocktail and soaking in the gorgeous nature around me. The floor fire pit is an interesting concept and is totally safe since it's sunken in. 8. Make it minimalist. This open basin cast iron fire pit is so simple and yet so stunning, the perfect addition to any backyard. Classic white patio furniture and a minimalist deck allow us to focus on the real stunner, that waterfront view. 9. Go multifunctional. If you have a large lawn, consider building a fire pit hangout zone in the middle of it. If you're working with a smaller space, consider a round stone fire pit that also doubles as a surface space to rest your drinks. 10. Summer backyard. The perfect summer backyard setup is obvious in this picture. You have your glorious fireplace and a matching barbecue for added enjoyment. This setup is relaxing and lets you ease into the dog days of summer with style and grace. 11. Get graphic. This roof deck in Malibu is the best outdoor space inspiration we've seen in a long time. Take style notes from the sleek and simple matte black fire pit surrounded by spacious sofas with contemporary graphic throw pillows piled on. 12. Steel chairs. These steel chairs add an interesting spin to this outdoor fire pit scene. They look more modern and can easily be moved if need be. The fire pit in the center is stationary since it's made out of bricks, but the chairs are completely mobile and interchangeable. 13. Forget about grass. Now here's an outdoor fire pit idea we can get behind. The fire bowl warms up the courtyard during cooler weather, and the gravel ground gives you an interesting, rustic feel.